How to change chart type in HFM. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily change your chart type in HFM application to better visualize your trades. First of all, launch open the HFM app on your mobile device or desktop and make sure you're logged in. Once you're logged into the home page of HFM, go ahead and click on the More button at the bottom right corner, and from the More menu that appears on the screen, click on Chart Settings. Under Chart Settings, go ahead and tap on the Chart Type option and choose the different chart options available. You can select between candlesticks, line charts, or bar. After making a selection, go ahead and get to a chart page and you'll see a different chart type on the screen. Choose your preferred chart type. You can always change it according to your preference. Candlesticks are the most popular for beginners and pros. The line charts is simpler and good for spotting trends, whereas the bar chart shows open, high, low, or close in bars. So that is it. Your chart will be updated automatically. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.